y is 2 to the power of 31, 32 not 0. My problem is that does not return 0, but returns array 2,147,483,648, dtype equals int32, instead. The same is true for. So I believe this is simply how is implemented. Interestingly, all these alternatives seem to work as expected, returning some kind of 0. In particular, what is different between NumPy arrays representing 2,147,483,648 and 2,147,483,648? I have seen this issue in JavaScript. Why does 32 not result in 0 in JavaScript? And C++, weird behavior of right shift operator, 1, 32, why is int 32 not always 0? But not yet in Python/NumPy. In fact, neither Python nor NumPy docs seem to be documenting this behavior. This URL. This URL.
While not documented, NumPy is mostly implemented in C, and the shift operator in C, and C++ is not defined for shifts greater than or equal to the number of bits. So the result can be arbitrary. If you look at the types of the examples that work, you'll see why they work. Class int, class NumPy.int64, class NumPy.int64, class NumPy.int64, int64, class NumPy.int64, class NumPy.int64. The first uses Python's own int type, while the others are all converted to NumPy.int64, where the behavior for a 32-bit shift is correct. This is mostly due to the fact that scalar, zero-dimensional, arrays behave differently. And in the list case that the default integer type for NumPy is not NumPy.int32. On the other hand, int32. So you run into the undefined behavior here.
If you want to see more, press and consider subscribing.